My nails are disgusting. Literally. I hate how my bathroom has like bad lighting. It's kind of gross, but I'm gonna do that right now. Hi guys, I'm in my bathroom right now because my brother is in the room and I'm like recording in front of him. This is a transformation video, which is basically a glow up. Whenever I watch like transformation videos, they usually like go get their nails done, do their hair, put on a cute outfit, do some skincare, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start with my skincare because I haven't washed my face, which is pretty disgusting because I've literally like, I woke up like 3 hours ago. Let's get on with the video. First things first, I'm gonna wash my hands because
you don't want to get corona.
I should really put my hair back. I'm too lazy. And I'm just gonna use my cleanser. During this quarantine, I was literally like so determined to not cut my hair or dye it. So determined because the 2 times that I dyed my hair, I literally like had a mental breakdown. The first time I dyed my hair, I had a mental breakdown. And then the second time, it was just out of fun. And I was determined that during this whole quarantine thing, I was not gonna do anything to my hair because I was gonna regret it. And so far, I've been doing so good, but there was this one time where I was just like, you know, whatever, like, its hair grows back. But I pulled myself away from it, and I'm pretty glad I did because I still have, well, my hair's dead, but I still have long hair, and it's growing out to my natural hair color, which is what I wanted. Also, I would look so dumb in short hair. My hair is just like so frizzy. If I cut it, then it'll just like go like that. And no, I didn't even tell you guys what I was doing, but I just put my eye serum and then my moisturizer. I'm just gonna put on my sunscreen. I'm literally like already out, but I'm still trying to use the last of it. I have another one. I have been breaking out so bad. I don't know if it's because I changed my cleanser or because I'm on my lady days, but it's not even funny. I feel like it does something to my face. Step 1 is complete. I did my skincare. I'm not gonna do a face mask or anything like that because I find it pointless if I do a face mask and then wear makeup. Like, why not wear makeup and then do the face mask after?
Like, common sense, you know?
So the next step is my nails. I'm gonna paint my fingernails and my toes. I'm not gonna show you guys my toes because that's kind of embarrassing. But obviously I can't go to a nail salon because they're closed. So I'm just gonna have to do it on my own. But I'm just gonna use white nail polish. I think white nail polish looks the best on toes and fingernails. So that's what I'm gonna do. This is how they look like. They're pretty long. I cut them a while ago, but I'm just gonna shape them real quick. Now for my toes, I'm just gonna file them a little bit too because them should be sharp as. I'm just gonna start painting my nails. I think I'm gonna do it on the floor while I listen to some music because my cramps are literally like killing me right now. I literally have to do the other side. How the heck? Why was I so hyped? It's not that serious. I just finished doing one coat of this. I'm gonna do another one. I'm just gonna wait for it to dry. If I'm gonna sing this song late at night in the car during summer, I'm gonna literally cry. The second coat, this is how they look like. They look so ugly, I'm sorry. I'm gonna do my toes now. This is so small for my toes. I'm gonna do the next coat, and I'm being kind of messy with it, but it's fine. So I just finished painting my toenails. I got a cotton swab and some nail polish remover, and I'm just cleaning the sides of it. Do my hair, I'm gonna do a straighten it. So I just finished washing my hands and they look kind of better in a way, and pretty dry already. Oh, never mind. They're definitely not dry at all. So I just plugged in my straightener. It's on. It's heating up. I haven't straightened my hair in so long. I just use this. So I just spray it. It sizzles because it's wet. It's hot. I just finished shooting my hair. I'm sweating so much. It's so hot in here. This is what my hair looks like. I don't know if I got the back of it really good, but it's fine. I literally want to cry so bad. My stomach hurts and I'm standing up, which makes it hurt even more. I hate being a girl sometimes. I'm just gonna do like really basic makeup. Like a little bit of concealer, blush, highlight, mascara because I am not that talented. I'm dying. Okay, so I literally couldn't stand my cramps anymore. That I was just like, whatever, like I can't do this anymore, and I had to turn on my camera and I cried for like a good couple of minutes. Oh my god, it's hilarious. I'll see right now what happened. So I decided I'm gonna do my makeup on the floor because I can't stand up. Like it hurts so bad to stand up. That did nothing. This literally didn't even cover any of my blemishes.
How embarrassing.
Look at the... I know.
So many skills that make her distinctive. Comes and goes in waves. You don't let go. Comes and goes in waves. With thoughts of my eyes, holding some magic.
What I tell you guys, I literally had a mental breakdown. My camera's about to die. I just finished doing my makeup. I literally hate it. It looks so ugly. It's so patchy and it's
Disgusting.
I'm just gonna wear chapstick, my Carmax, because who the f do you think I am? I'm gonna take a little break because my camera's gonna die. I need to charge it and also my stomach hurts so much. Hi guys. I literally forgot that I was recording a video. I finished watching Outer Banks. Oh my god. Oh my god. Time to put on my outfit. But before I do anything, I want to put on my jewelry that I would usually just wear. Oh my god, my nails. I low-key don't want to change. I'm so comfortable in what I'm in. But I'm just going to put this on and yeah. See you guys in El Baño. This is so far what my outfit looks like. It's missing something. So I'm gonna try and see if this bandana looks good. I'm not sure because this has padding already. But I need to comb my hair first. Hairspray. My hair is acting crazy. Okay, so I don't know if I like this or not. I look kind of stupid, but I'm just gonna keep it because I want to do something other than. I look so dumb. Anyways, no, hell no, this don't match. So I think I got the outfit so basic. I mean, I don't know how to dress. I just put on this headband. I have my pink scrunchie like that, and this just necklace. And you guys already know my earrings. This black long sleeve with this skirt. would you call this plaid? I don't know. My white slip-on Vans with my ankle bracelet. But this is basically the end of the video, my full transformation. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.